welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am very pregnant and very tired all the time, so I don't know how long this is going to take. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I've done faux locks before. It's just that I'm using a different type of hair today, and I'm just going to show you guys. It's not really a tutorial, but hopefully when I get to the top portion I can at least try to explain how I do it when I figure it out. So with freshly washed hair, my hair is washed and blow dried. Currently there's no moisture in it because I don't want to be having to grip my hair too tightly, and I don't think these parts are gonna be perfect. To be honest, I'm not trying for them to be perfect. And the products I'll be using today, just to hold the roots of my hair, I'm gonna be using Shine and Jam conditioning gel, and this is the regular hold. Alongside some carrot oil. This says stops breakage and anti-thinning. It smells so good. You're gonna need a scissor, tail comb, white twist comb you want, an edge brush or a toothbrush. I'm using a toothbrush just to brush it in before I braid it. To section off my hair, I'm gonna be using some of these. So I got 5 packs of Marley hair in the color number 4. I love the texture. I love the texture of this hair. And I got 2 packs of Kanekalon. It's a Motown Tress. Jamaican. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to part my hair straight, but yeah, I'm parting the back. It's not too big or small. So I'm grabbing the braiding here, but before I do anything, I'm just gonna add some carrot oil to my roots, to my hair itself actually. And then I'm gonna be adding the jam to the roots. correction guys, this took me so long. It's now 7:02. I've been at it for like 6 hours. I don't want to say 7 because I probably start like sometime after 12 or minutes to 1 o'clock. Like they're not the neatest, they're not all the same size. It's this long, but I think I'm gonna stop maybe here. Let me show you what the back is looking like. So honestly, the parts aren't the best, but and let's get into doing our faux locks. I take a braid, one that's already done. It is okay, but what I'm doing is I am just fluffing the hair a bit, you know, messing up the pattern, and then I am gonna take this portion here. I'm gonna hold on to my braid and I'm gonna start wrapping it around. It's definitely easier to do at the front versus at the back, so don't feel discouraged if you're doing it and it's not easy. So what I'm doing is, as I'm wrapping, I'm kind of spreading the hair because we don't want to have any gaps for the braid to peek through. We want it to look nice and full, even though I'm not using a very big piece of spare. I'm just wrapping that, going down, see? And I measure it with this. I'm not gonna burn it as yet, so I cut it because I don't want it to unravel, but then I'll know where to stop. It's a little bit longer, but I'm gonna be stopping.